Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel once again, and today I will be telling you some different shading techniques which you can use in your artworks. So first of all, I'll make some square boxes, and they will be 9 in number. So you can create same boxes as I am drawing here for your practice. So it is done, and first of all I am going to tell you simple hatching. In simple hatchings you have to use the lines only to create your shading, and you have to draw your lines diagonally in the same direction . You can go from down to upwards and upwards to downwards also, as I am doing it. So this is your first simple hatching technique. Now second, I will be telling you cross hatch. In this cross hatch, you have to do same like you have done in the previous box. You have to create some diagonal lines in one direction and on the same distance. Right? So now again we have to cross it with the horizontal lines. And third, we have to again create diagonal lines in the opposite direction. So this is called cross hatch, and this is also a different shading technique, and it looks very attractive. Now third, I will be telling you tonal. In tonal, basically you will learn from light to dark shading technique. So first you have to keep your pencil at 45 degree, and then you have to shade very lightly, and then you have to do it from light to dark. So this is called tonal, from light to dark. Fourth is stippling. Now stippling is another technique which is used to create artwork with the help of dots only. So as you are seeing on the screen, you have to place dots in the same manner, and by creating dots you have to create your artwork. This technique also looks very attractive. So this is stippling. Next is scribbling. Now in scribbling, you have to move your pencil like this randomly, and it will create a scribble pattern for you. Hope you have liked the video, and give a like if you like and share it with your friends, and please do subscribe my channel if you are new on my channel, and please do comment me in my comment section, and part 2 will be very soon there. So stay tuned and stay connected.